So today we will be cleaning the slicer. We need detergent, sanitizer, cut gloves, and sanitizer. First, we want to make sure that the machine is unplugged and completely turned off. Then we want to start to take apart the machine for any pieces that can be washed inside of the ware washing sink, and just set that to the side. Next, we want to get our gloves on. Cut gloves first, and then our sanitation gloves. Then we are going to wipe. First, we are going to use our detergent. Wring out your rag, and then start wiping down the machine. When wiping down the machine, we want to make sure that we get every area fully wiped down, and be very careful while cleaning the blade. To clean the blade, place the rag on the blade. Hold the blade on the back side with your hand and just wipe around the blade. Making sure to keep the rag between your hand and the gloves and the slicer. That way you are not exposing yourself to any part of the blade that might be exposed. So once you are done cleaning the front side of the blade, we have to make sure that we clean the back side of the blade. So we want to basically put the rag on the back side of the blade and almost spin the blade using your hand in the center to work the blade around the rag. Next, you want to slide your rag in between the blade, and again pushing on the back side of the blade and on the front side of the blade, spin that blade again. This will help remove any debris that may be caught inside of the edge of the blade. So after the machine has been wiped down with your detergent, we must now wipe it down with sanitizer. The purpose of this dual cleaning is that the first removes any debris off of the slicer with the detergent, and then the sanitizer reduces the bacteria that could still be on the slicer. So again, you just want to go around your blade on the front, wipe down all parts of the machine, just like we did with the detergent, and then wipe down the back of the blade as well, using the same spinning kind of method to rotate that blade along the rag, press between your hand and the blade.
All right, go.
Once the entire slicer has been wiped down, we want to get our detergent again, and we're going to lift the slicer up. That way we can get any debris that might have fallen underneath the slicer during operation. There's a leg that just pops out, which allows for easy access of wiping underneath the machine without having to move it. After you have wiped down the counter with your detergent, you want to just go back over it again with the sanitizer. Again, this two-step process, make sure that any soil has been removed by the detergent, and then the bacteria has been reduced by the sanitizer. So now that the slicer is completely clean, we want to reassemble it and bag it for tomorrow. So we're going to put the blade protector back on. That just slides back into place and slides on, and then make sure we twist so then that way it doesn't come back off. Shake a little to secure it, make sure that it's secured in place. Then we want to put the hopper back on by sliding it back into place and then tightening down the screw to make sure that it can't come back off while in operation. And that's how you put back together the slicer. Now